Hello everyone, welcome to Indian share market actions and expectations for week 2 January 2024. 8th January to 12th January, what are the expectations? We can look it over here. So if you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel to get our regular updates. Let's get into the video. This is our agenda for the discussion today. So in globally, Red Sea crisis seems to be a very key impact, as we can see the import and exports been bit struggling, and there are more chances of 60% increase in the shipping cost and the insurance premium by 20% as per the analyst, as still there are attacking been happening for the vessels around the Red Sea area. So people have to be very key on the stocks that is involving on the import and exports, and as well as there is a global economic impact will be there. So coming to the expectation of this week with the Nifty ended with a 0.1% lower than the previous week it closed. And the Sensex with 0.30% as well. We can see some actions been with the Nifty sectors like reality and media. However, there was a downside with sectors like IT and metals. So the broader market with mid cap and small cap performed well with each 1.9% and 2.5%. This week we can see some actions based on the quarterly results will be started up by the IT companies as usual. So the IT companies starting with large cap TCS and Infosys will be looked into on January 11th, and HCL and Wipro on January 12th, HDFC Life Insurance on January 12th. As people not expecting good results for IT sector, as we can see already muted results only, there will be no major impact on the IT stocks. However, the result seems to be more than expected, then we can see some positive movement in the IT sectors. Coming to the Nifty opens options, so as we said, 21,800 and 900 seems to be a next resistance levels if the recent support 21,500 is not broken on the downside. However, if the 21,500 is broken on the downside, then we can see some down with till to the level of 21,300 levels. So for the weekly, we can expect 21,200 to 22,000 as a expectation. But for the monthly, 22,500 seems to be an open interest maximum by the option writers. For the downside put option, 21,000 seems to be the major writing. So 21,000 to 22,500 is the major expectation for this monthly movement. So the quarterly results also will give a trigger for it. So however, there is a market key data also looking into it that also can trigger the market towards the either upward or downward. So like US consumer price data, inflation data also be expected for this week, and also US jobs claims data, China inflation data, also India's CPI, which is a consumer price index data. And for India, we have a foreign exchange reserves data to be released. Bank loan and deposit growth also will be released on January 12th. This also will trigger either up or down based on the news flow of these expectations. Oil prices remains to be in the same, where crude it is traded at 73.81. It will be trading in the same range between 67 to 80. However, the Red Sea crisis seems to be a major, then we can see more increase in the crude price. So that's it about the crude data. Coming to Indian market key news, there is a global investor meet been carrying out in Tamil Nadu, India, where the Indian investors like Tata Electronics, JSW Energy, TVS groups are showing interest to invest in Tamil Nadu, where there can be getting a more job opportunities over here, and also some foreign investors also planning for it. FMCG sector, there the analysts and experts are stating that there could be a low to medium digit level of growth only in quarterly results, as there still the rural market continues to be lagging. So the FMCG sector like Hindustan Unilever or ITC fails to meet the expectation, then we can see a downfall on the stocks. Market cap of 6 stocks out of 10 big market cap stocks declined by 57,000 crores, like a TCS and HDFC Bank are major on this. 8 mid-cap stocks been moved to large-cap stocks as per the recent reg. like a Power Finance Corporation, IRFC, Macrotech Developers, Polycab India, REC, Shriram Finance, Union Bank India, and Indian Overseas Bank been moved to a large cap. That is good for these stocks. These stocks shown a good up movement during the bull run of the recent times. Coming to FII and DAI data, FII were net buyers for last week with 3,290 crores, where DAI were sold for 7,296 crores. FII seems to be a buyer since the US bond yield been coming down, and DAI has been supporting the market since long time. So there been a profit booking. So every 300 point dip you can considering buying opportunity, that is for the quality stocks. So key corporate action for this week, some of the stocks are issuing splits and some of the stocks are issuing bonuses, where the key stocks to watch are Grasim Industries rights issue, ex date is 10th January, and Cochin Shipyard, which is the stock is going to split with the face value from 10 to 5. And for the new gen software technologies issuing bonus 1:1, the ex date is 12th January. And there is another stock, Integra Essentia, is issuing bonus 1:1 on 11th of January is the ex date. If you are interested on any of these stocks or having a stake of it, have a benefit of it and key watch on it. So next is about the IPO, the Jyoti CNC Automation. There is a subscription open for January 9th and closing on 11th. And Kausalya Logistics is listing on January 8th this week. For SME sector, IBL Finance, Newswan, Multitech, and Australian Premium Solar stocks will be subscribed on January 9th. If you having a fundamental analysis of these stocks, you can apply for the IPOs based on your knowledge. I hope that's it for today, and this video is beneficial for you. If it is beneficial, please like the video, subscribe the channel, and press bell notification to get regular updates. Thank you. Stay safe, invested.